folks. Hope your day is going well. So right now I'm on San Francisco. This is Highway 1. On the right side you have the Pacific Ocean. It's actually a very nice view. Highway 1 runs from Santa Cruz, California, I think all the way to San Diego. It has a lot of very nice views. So on the left side, that's Sunset District, San Francisco. On the right side, that's the Pacific Ocean. It's actually a little bit chilly and windy. Yeah, not a lot of people out on the beach today. Like I said, it's very windy and actually very chilly as well. Yeah, funny enough about this part of the street is on the weekend they normally close it because there's a lot of people going to the beach, and also when it's very windy they close it because the dust covers the road a lot and it becomes like a hazard. Yeah, it's actually a very nice view here. I like the view a lot. On the opposite side, that's San Francisco Zoo. So it's actually a very good location. Okay, and now